What's going on, guys? Patrick here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing a first look on a new tool that I got recently at the Window Film Revolution family reunion, and it is the Tint Buster. The Tint Buster. Full disclosure, they gave me the Tint Buster. I didn't pay for it. My sponsor gave it to me, Tint Wiz. Shout out to Tint Wiz. They went ahead and got this when I was doing some demos for dry shrink prep. I haven't actually used it yet. I didn't have time to. When I'm in like demo mode and like conference mode, I don't have the focus to be able to do this. So we're gonna be taking a first look at this, and then I will be giving you a review in regards to my thoughts about this. First initial thoughts, I think this is a great idea. Portable water. I think it has 3 liters of water, like a bladder in here, and you can purchase more bladders. So if you're doing like a small residential job, and this is great for automotive. I see a lot of people using this for automotive. This is really great. The only thing I would be worried about if we are doing automotive is doing front windshields. Because I sit down. Obviously everyone sits down in like the driver's seat or the passenger seat, so I'm not sure like if this would like hinder my installation or anything like that, but it is a great idea. There's a hose on here, heavy duty hose, about 3 feet I would say. Got a little clip to it right here. Standard fan tip. I love the fan tip. I've never been a fan of the cone, right? The fan tip I think is a must for automotive and commercial residential. It's just you use the water a lot better. So all looking aside, this bag, everything looks pretty high quality. So we're gonna go ahead and just take a look at it and first review. It looks like there's a power button here. All right, it looks like there's some sort of power because I see a red dot, but let's go here. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Let's see what we got. Okay, so in the first slit right here, it looks like we have wires and stuff. Okay, so there's a USB plug-in right here, and there's a USB plug right here. So this is just an extension. You can have like a battery pack here and just plug, something that needs a USB. This is USB, not USB Type-C plug in here. So that's an outlet there. I believe that this is the charger. It's just kind of put in here. So again, I've never seen this before. I've never even opened this, so I kind of wanted to double check and see how it is. And rolling on to the second pocket here, let's see. All right, it looks like this is the power to the pump. This is kind of cool. This is actually really cool. So there's a little mini pump right in here. Tint Buster, professional grade pumps. Yes. So it looks like there's a little pump in here. Obviously the battery power is going to power the pump, and then the pump is going to pump the water out of here. So one good thing is that you don't need an air compressor. Typical tint kegs or hand sprayers, your hands just get tired. I don't know anyone that still uses hand sprayers, but a lot of people use the tint kegs, and those are great. The only drawback to that is that you do have to top them off with an air compressor. So you have to buy an air compressor and you have to top them off, and eventually the water goes down and the pressure goes lower. So a unit like this would keep consistent water pressure the entire time. So benefit there is pretty cool. Let's open up the top here. Let's see what we got here. So this is, okay, so there's a whole bunch of stuff. This is what it looks like coming out. So we got a brown box here. What do we have here? It looks like this is the charger. I'm assuming this is the charger. Yes. So this is the charger for the battery, or this is the battery itself. It's one of the two. It is. It's the battery. Okay. So, and see, look, this is really great stuff. Like everything is branded. Tint Buster here. It was branded Tint Buster on the pump. So this is really good stuff going on here. Looks like a charging wire. So basically you would just connect the battery. You can turn the battery on. It's full. It comes in full charge. That's great. Turn the battery on. You're going to go ahead and put the battery into the front. and connect it there, and then you can just recharge batteries if you like. I don't know how long this battery will last. That's a determining factor. If you run out here and the battery dies, you're kind of like stuck, right? So probably get another battery or two. That way you have a backup battery. I'm sure you can go to the website and purchase all these individually. The end of the hose, this one I'm assuming we're going to be putting it in with the bladders. Here's the oh, it comes with 2 bladders. Nice. So 2 bladders, again, great branding. Tintbuster.com. These are pretty sizable here, 96 ounces. Yeah. Or 3 liters. So 3 liters, and that's 96 ounces. So that's a good amount. Just for your information, for frame of reference, like the Zepp water bottles, those are 24 ounces right there. So this is almost quadruple the amount. And then the professional sprayers, the gray ones, the max ones, I think they're 32 or 34. So this already has triple or quadruple the water amount for like a hand sprayer. So that's really good. And this is a pretty good amount. I don't know exactly. I believe water weighs 8 pounds per gallon. So if you're in ounces, I mean, how many ounces are in I think it's 164 ounces to a gallon, right? So this is about 100. So you're probably going to be about 5 pounds worth of water right on here. So you got to think about that as well. You're going to have to be walking around with that. So different things you want to think about. So it's probably about 5 pounds of water. So it's cool though, but I like that they gave you 2, right? Gave you 2 bladders, right? Because 2 is definitely what you want, right? You have one, you're working one, and then you have another one ready to go. So then that way you switch right then and there. If you only had one, you run out, and then you gotta stop the entire operation. You gotta dismantle this thing. You gotta fill it up with more water. You gotta put more soap in it and get back into the game. But if you have 2, then you just switch it. It stays in your bag, and then you refill this, and you don't stop moving. So I absolutely love that they give you 2 in there. That's really amazing. What else do we have here? What else do we have here? What is this? Tint Buster. Oh, it's an apron. That's awesome. I didn't know that. I thought I was just getting a backpack sprayer. Cool. So this looks like a pretty good, you know what? I'm always interested to see like different like aprons that they have available. This looks pretty cool. Not too bad. I like it. It kind of reminds me of the dirty pouch, right? It's a little bit lower. It's not that standard 13 pocket ergonomic standard pouch. That one is like, tools are always stabbing you in the stomach and stuff like that. When you have a tool bag or an apron or a tool belt here that's a little bit lower below the waist, when you sit down in the car, these tools aren't stabbing you if you're doing the front windshield, the glare strip, maybe you're coming in on a back window. So that's a nice surprise that that comes a little bit of a tool bag here. Let me see here. And that is pretty much it. I'm assuming you put the bladder right in here. You hook it up just like that. You turn on the battery pack, and I'm assuming this button will also turn on and off the battery pack. Oh, it's wireless. That's cool. Let's see. Is that what it does? Nope. I don't exactly know what this does, but I'm going to figure it out. Again, this is just a first look in regards to this. Initial impressions on this one, I think it's a nice padded backpack. It's got 3 different pads on it. It looks like it has a chest piece here. You see a lot of these in like camping bags, right? So you're being able to secure it to your chest as well, I believe relieves a little bit of strain on the actual shoulder area. So there was definitely thought. This wasn't just like thrown together. There's definitely thought. There's a lot of branding. Tintbuster.com on the battery pack, on the bladders, on the pump itself. That's really impressive. We got some really good hardware. The fan tip sprayer, like these are really good. I'm a fan of the plastic sprayers. I don't like the brass sprayers. The brass sprayers are metal, and then like if it swings and hits something, it could break something. This is pretty solid right here. This is a standard handle. I like that it comes, you can just kind of throw it on the hook right here and boom, and now it's on your shoulder. So this is actually really cool. Great first look on this. I'm gonna go ahead and test it out this week. We did end up getting a brand new account for my tint company. We're doing a Mitsubishi dealership, and the first month they're preloading. We're doing tint, sides and back, also door cups and edge guards for PPF, $250 a pop. We got 100 the first month, and then we're going to be doing an additional minimum 65 residual month over month. So we're super excited. We're going to be doing a lot of automotive and being able to check out this different tools and different other things of that nature. If you guys like this, I am going to do another video. I'm going to run this unit for about a week or so. I want to see how it feels and how it works in the field and my thoughts in regards to that. I'll do an update video at some point with this. I also bought another one, which is the True Spray sprayer system. That is more in regards to a traditional pony keg sprayer, and then what you basically it has a battery pack to it as well, so you can end up filling the whole thing up, and then it has the battery pack on there, so you don't need a compressor again, an air compressor to fill it up, and it's just another avenue as well. So I don't want to lose any of this stuff, so I want to make sure to put it back. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, shout outs, feel free to reach out as well. I'm going to put this back in the top because I think that's where it was. If you guys want more information on this, again, this is not a sponsored video. Tintbuster doesn't know I'm doing this, so you can check it out if you guys want to purchase. I'm sure you can go to tintbuster.com, tintbuster.com, and it's a little backpack. That's cool. Yeah, good quality stuff. So I'll do another review video on my thoughts in regards to it after I put it through some use. But yeah, if you guys like this video, thank you again. I appreciate it, and we'll talk to y'all soon.